Excuse me भैया, एक शेक देना।
I'm not giving you my strawberry shake.
Do you even consume Kevinter's के product?
I actually consume it because it's pretty great.
But are you saying that because you're on stage?
I'm actually a fashion influencer. Everybody wants performance and nobody knows what it is.
कि India's Got Talent का parody है, but ये बंद नहीं होगा.
Did you use ChatGPT for this?
सर आइए ना, कभी हमारे भी तो ट्राई कीजिए।
I don't have any questions, नहीं तो आप मेरी job खा जाओगे.
Welcome to the episode of Kevinters, India's best marketer. Today is not just a regular college event of yours, but this is truly the main game where students get to pitch, persuade, and possibly land a chance at getting a golden internship at Kevinters. Let's welcome the head of marketing, Mr. Krishant Atre, the chief strategy officer, Mr. Shaurya Prabhat. She's a TEDx speaker, ET inspiring women leader, and what not. Let's give it up for Miss Jaya Chaher. Make some noise for the finance ninja, CA Sarthak Ahuja. All right, so let's call the first contestant. His name is Aniket Panchal.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket and today I am going to do a role play between a customer and a Kevinter's employee. So let's get started. Excuse me भैया, एक शेक देना जो हार्ट ब्रेक भी भुला दे और इंटरव्यू के स्ट्रेस भी मिटा दे। मैम, तो आपको चाहिए एक इमोशनल डैमेज बेल्जियम चॉकलेट शेक विच इज थिक, स्वीट एंड ड्रामेटिक। वाह भैया, कुछ गिल्ट फ्री ऑप्शंस है क्या? एक्चुअली मैं डाइट पर हूँ। यस मैम, ट्राई अवर गिल्ट फ्री गुलकंद विच इज लेस इन शुगर, हाई नॉस्टैल्जिया एंड इतना लाइट कि आपके प्रोमिसेस जैसा इजीली डाइजेस्ट हो जाए। और भैया कुछ ट्रेंडिंग होगा क्या जिसको मैं रील्स पर डालूं और वायरल हो जाऊं? एक्चुअली मुझे इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है ना। यस मैम, ट्राई अवर एस्थेटिक आम पन्ना विच इज टेस्ट इन थ्रोबैक एंड इस पे व्यू भी बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं। ओके भैया, शेक तो मैं ले रही हूँ लेकिन आपको सीवी यहीं दे के जा रही हूँ क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर की लाइफ से तो ज़्यादा ही इमोशनली स्टेबल लग रहा है आपका मेरे को ये मेन्यू। परफेक्ट डिसीजन मैम, क्योंकि केवेंटर्स के हायरिंग के लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप ही है थोड़ा सेसी होना, थोड़ा क्लासी होना और फुल क्रीमी होना। थैंक यू।
Amazing set यार.
थैंक यू सर।
So हालांकि Kevinter's का शो है, but I would want to market a shampoo. कौन सा यूज करते हो आप?
क्लिनिक प्लस ₹1 वाला।
Amazing. अच्छा ठीक है. We understood you have a very good comic sense. Technically speaking, do you understand how does marketing on Swiggy and Zomato work?
तो स्विगी और जोमेटो अपने कमेंट्स पिच करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पर कि सर आइए ना, कभी हमारे भी तो ट्राई कीजिए, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को डेट्स पे ले जाइए। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड स्ट्रेटजी टू पिच अप योर कमेंट्स एंड केवेंटर शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई दिस strategy between Instagram reels and comments.
I really like your act. It was very, very creative.
Thank
and
you.
I personally love stand-up comedy. So I thoroughly enjoyed it. Creative bone, of course, you've got it. But my one question to you is, do you know the difference between brand marketing and performance marketing?
स्पेसिफिकली अगर किसी ब्रांड की कैंपेन कर रहे हैं, लाइक कि ब्रांड वहाँ पे आए हुए अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को उसकी कैंपेन लगा रहा है या अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को शो कर रहा है, उसके बारे में क्वालिटीज़ गिना रहा है या फिर किसी भी एडवर्टीजमेंट को चला रहा है ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, देन आई थिंक इट वुड बी ब्रांड मार्केटिंग एंड परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग, जो शायद मैंने किया अभी।
Well tried. Full marks for attempt, but wrong answer.
I know.
So no, brand marketing is, I mean, simply put, whenever you're doing any sort of branding, whether it's a college today, you put the brand's hoardings,
Yes, yes.
or you put any kind of stickers, or influencers talking about it. That's mostly brand marketing.
Yeah.
And when you do performance marketing, it's a form of marketing where you can actually calculate the ROI of the spends that you actually do. So that means that all the digital spending that you're doing, what kind of impressions, reach, the kind of cost of acquisitions that you get, or the kind of sales probably, that would be a form of performance marketing.
थैंक यू मैम।
Let's move on to the next contestant. We have Shrey Jaiswal.
For Quinters, I just have a beat. I don't have a song like this. So that's it.
Yeah, I really liked your talent on beatbox. I just want to know what makes you say that you can be the best marketer.
I've gone through Quinter's Instagram page. So I think all the reels have chill type music, R&B. So I think we should add a little upbeat music to it to make it stand out.
Okay, so what kind of visual would you want people to imagine about Kiventers when this music plays?
I was thinking in my head, I was thinking like there's a group of people, they're skateboarding. We introduce the beatbox. They are doing stunts and all of that. They want to feel refreshed. So we bring in the Quinter's milkshake. This will help in the refreshment of the people that are skateboarding, like a sportish vibe to a Quinter's milkshake. Like
What if I told you that you have to do organic marketing, okay? And you probably have to get other beatboxers, right? But you have zero budgets. How will you manage?
if we have zero budget, we have to give them shout out. It's a given.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I don't have any questions, नहीं तो आप मेरी job खा जाओगे. Thank you so much.
And let's call upon our next contestant, Devesh Pathak.
My name is Devansh, and I have this belief that you can basically market anything if you can market yourself. And I've done that personally when I've built my brand from a couple of 100 followers to almost 65K followers in under 4 months, while being a college student at DTU and also scoring a decent CGPA, I'd say. This slide can show my personal brand essence, which shows the various niches I've worked with and the number of views and stuff. I think anyone can make a reel go viral and stuff, but the audience you get from this reel, to convert them into your followers, that's the main goal that you have to achieve. And this shows the particular niches that I've worked with, like fitness, fashion, and nutrition. These are the 3 niches that I've cracked, and I've built around my whole account on basically all of these niches. And this also shows that I can adapt to any niche in particular, like it's not just a fitness account, like all about the gym content. And I've already collaborated like with a particular food and beverages brands such as Pintola. And what I did for their reel was I used the A/B testing method, which says that you can create 2 reels, reel A and reel B. And what you do is the reels have to be of the same niche but of different aesthetics. And then you see that which reel has a greater CVR, which is the conversion rate, like click per consumer and stuff. And then you will post that reel. So that's how I gained all the followers and all the insights for that particular brand that I worked with. And just a second. So that's my take on marketing Kiventers, considering if I had followers versus if I did not. So if I did have followers, I would probably market your milkshake such as like a pre or a post-workout meal for all of my fitness niche. And for my fashion niche, what I would do is like I could build around different outfits around the colors of your different milkshakes, like for banana, yellow, and strawberry and stuff. And I could also create like get ready with me and stuff. Basically build a bridge between the Gen Z's relatableness and Kiventers' traditional, the 100-year experience that they've built. But if I did not have any followers and I would be a normal person and stuff, so what I would have done is I would have gone for sabse pehle collabs and partnerships, because I feel that's the way you can tap into the Gen Z audience the quickest, because everyone follows the influencers and stuff, so whatever they do, people just try to copy it and stuff. Except for that, I would also use जो Kiventers का ऐसे 100 years का generational build-up है पूरा, उससे ऐसे storytelling types reel बनाओ, because I feel वो उसमें अगर hook मिल जाता है तो you can create a series उसमें कि like पहला part डाला end में you can add के end में what if, and then you'll go to the second part to visit your profile and stuff. उसके अलावा why me, why you should hire me? I think I have the location demographic, which means major Kiventers के सारे outlets are in Delhi NCR, and my major audience is from Delhi and all the tier 1 cities. Except for that, I think I have the correct age demographic for like 18 से 24 जो उनका main target audience है जो social media consume करेगा या फिर जो Kiventers आके visit करेगा वो वाला. And growth I've added so you can figure out कि मेरी growth सारी organic and stuff. And last not lost, I believe कि जो CTC and जो package है like that is the main motivational वाला part. But उसके अलावा the thing is कि I feel I want to grow as a creator as well. So creating content is like मेरे लिए passion and stuff. So I could help you guys bring it up a notch and stuff. That's my time. Thank you.
Amazing, Devansh. Very crisp.
Thank you.
But if you yourself are so fit, do you even consume Kiventers के
If
product?
I actually consume it because it's pretty great.
But are you saying that because you're on stage?
मेरे घर के पास like I live in Rohini and Rohini West में there's an outlet Kiventers का I think for like 6 years up. So I've been there multiple times. Like whenever I go to the mall, I always visit it.
Why do you think this is a choice for you? Because दुनिया में बहुत milkshakes मिलते हैं, correct?
For example, अगर हम Starbucks लेते हैं, I personally do not like Starbucks at all. बहुत ही overrated है. But the thing is, Starbucks एक trend बन गया है. That is the reason उनका brand work करता है. And if Keventus can do the same, तो I think वो भी work करेगा. Because like quality wise, I think आपका quality better है उनसे तो.
If you had to design a video that goes viral, exactly what would you do to make it viral so that we can try it out?
There's a feature Instagram पे, it's called trial reels. I use it personally as well. It's like आपकी रील आपके फॉलोअर्स को नहीं दिखाएंगे, नॉन फॉलोअर्स को दिखाएंगे. एंड इफ इट जो आपकी रील वहाँ अगर ब्लास्ट अप हो गई तो जब व्हेन यू शेयर इट टू योर एक्चुअल फॉलोअर्स इट विल इजीली रीच अ मिलियन. आई हैव डन दिस काफ़ी बार. तो दैट्स द फीचर आई वुड लेवरेज इंस्टाग्राम का. एंड ट्रेंड, दैट्स हाउ आई वुड फाइंड इट आउट कि क्या वर्क करेगा क्या नहीं.
Devansh, very nice energy.
Hanji.
Really like your presentation. With the intent of generating maximum eyeballs, what would you pick?
जैसे अभी का एग्जांपल लेता हूँ मैं लिटरली. जैसे इंडियाज़ बेस्ट मार्केटर चल रहा है तो इसको यू कैन प्रमोट बाय सेइंग कि इंडियाज़ गॉट लेट का पैरोडी है, बट ये बंद नहीं होगा बिकॉज दैट वुड लाइक हर्ट देम इज वेल. बट आपका ब्रांड प्रमोट करना आपका टास्क है, तो आई फील ये कर सकते हैं.
सही है, great. Thank you for being a great sport.
I actually have a quick game with our judges. So, sir, it's a quick rapid fire game with you, right? I'll give you options or I'll ask you questions. You have to answer very quick, right? Kevinter's classic vanilla or experimental pan shake?
Experimental pan shake.
Instagram or LinkedIn?
LinkedIn.
If Kevinter's were a person, describe them in 3 words.
Bold, creative, and extravagant.
That's actually good. Bold or safe? What wins in 2025 marketing?
Bold.
Bold. One college marketing trend that you secretly love.
Dating.
I have a rapid fire round with you. Again, simple questions. You have to answer me quick. Fantasy sports or real life drama? What is messier?
Fantasy sports by 100%.
Influencer collab or celeb endorsement?
Celeb endorsement क्योंकि उसके साथ influencer collab आ जाता है.
Most overrated marketing buzzword?
Performance marketing. Everybody wants performance and nobody knows what it is.
So I have a rapid fire for you as well, sir. Excel sheets or chat GPT?
Everything that I do is on an Excel sheet.
Founder ideas at 3 a.m. Are they genius or garbage?
I think my most unconventional ideas that end up doing well are either in the bathroom or in the middle of the night.
If you had to pick Shark Tank or TEDx?
As a consumer, TEDx.
Have you ever ghosted a founder after hearing their pitch?
I think I would have ghosted a lot of people on email.
All right, I'll take opportunity to connect with Shaurya sir now. Milkshakes or strategies? What do you lose sleep over more?
Milkshakes.
Milkshakes. All right. Long-term vision or short-term sizzle? What's harder to crack?
Long-term vision.
Long-term. All right. Would you invest in a brand built entirely on vibes?
No.
What's one rule every marketer should break?
Be controversial. Don't be afraid.
Boardroom meetings or campus events? What's more fun?
Campus events.
So that was a quick rapid fire with the judges. Moving on. We have Tanisha with us, who's going to do a role play.
So me and my family were traveling. We were traveling by the train. And मेरी सबसे क्रेजी स्टोरी ये है कि पता नहीं पापा कहाँ चले जाते हैं स्टेशन पे से उतर के, और मुझे इतना डर लगता है कि पता नहीं आ पाएंगे या नहीं, और ट्रेन चल जाती है. तो मैंने केवेंटर्स का शेक देखा. मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस समय, और वहाँ पे मतलब जो मेरे लोकल एरियाज थे, वी डिडंट यूज टू गेट द केवेंटर्स शेक. सो आई टोल्ड हिम, कैन यू प्लीज गेट दैट शेक फॉर मी? And he went, but the train started moving and I was like, oh my God, is it because of me? I started cursing myself and I cried because I thought Papa chhoot gaye station pe. But then he came with the shake and I don't know why, but that drink was the best drink of my life and it tasted so good. So yeah, that's it. That was my time. Thank you so much, guys.
Good to see the energy, and I like how fashionably you've put your sticker.
I'm actually a fashion influencer on Instagram.
Oh, you're a fashion influencer.
Yes.
Wow.
Tanisha, very good energy. Very
Thank you.
infectious. Thank you. You seem to be doing very well with respect to being an influencer, already collaborating with lots of brands. What is stopping you from just pursuing this?
If you do not have like strong connections in the influencer marketing, you cannot have a stable job. The collaborations, the paid ones can be there today, but you cannot always be sure of the numbers, and the numbers give you the money. So that is why you need a stable job. Me, as the eldest daughter of my family, I have 2 siblings. She's also going to go join college. We need an income right now, and I think a stable job can help me that. But like your future goals, everything, you need to have a plan for that, and that is why I would like to have a stable job. I don't want to keep this degree just for a decoration. That's why.
शौर्या एंड कृष्णांक, मैंने सच में ना लाइफ में किसी को इतना ऑनेस्टली जवाब देते हुए नहीं देखा. बट इट्स ग्रेट टू सी द ऑनेस्टी एंड आई रियली विश द बेस्ट टू योर पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज आप उनके लिए जितना सोच रहे हो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई लड़का इतना सोचता. तो दे आर वेरी लकी कि उनकी 2 बेटियां हैं.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have Ritvik Jain with us.
देखो ने ये है स्वाद की यादें, बचपन के रंगों में डूबी निगाहें, सौंधी सी खुशबू दूध में घुली है, हर एक सिप में एक कहानी छुपी है, खो न जाए ये कहानी जमीन पर. देखो इन्हें ये है मिल्क शेक का जादू, के विंटर्स की बोतल में छुपा एक राज हो, जो भी दिन लगे थोड़ा सा उलझा, एक सिप तो ले तू, खुशी का एहसास हो, खो न जाइए कहानी जमीन पर.
Let's go. It was actually very good, yaar. कहानी ज़मीन पर.
Very good performance. Basic question, why did you pick this song?
Because Kevinter's milkshake, it reminds you of your childhood when you used to go out with your parents and have milkshakes. I thought it will relate to the audience and give them a flashback of memories.
I think I really liked what you did. It was very creative. But धुन थोड़ी सी किसी और की है ना? Do you think about something original?
I actually tried composing some new melodies, but the time was really short.
Fair enough. I have one question for you. If we gave you some creative freedom, what is the one thing that you would like to add with this song?
I think I'll pick some songs which are trending. For example, if I take, there was a trend about ganne ka juice. So I could use that template in my song. So it will create a buzz.
Imagine the brand were to approve this song that you've done in your voice.
Yeah.
Which channels would you want to run it on?
There are channels like Scoop Whoop and Timeliners. They have the young audience, which Kevinter's needs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
First of all, I'm a big fan, so CA, Sarthak Gupta, I watch your reels every day.
Let's welcome Sushant Nagi.
I am Sushant Nagi. I have everything you need in a marketer. I have built businesses, led students, and executed ideas from day one in college. I live in the real world. I have had my own ventures, and the most successful one was a travel startup. I had one partner, and in our very first iteration, we sold 60 tickets. The revenue was 4.5 lakhs, and we made a net profit of 1.2 lakh. Second reason why I am the best marketer in this room is because I get people and people get me. So I heard this quote somewhere that knowledge is not the biggest form of learning. Empathy is the biggest form of learning. Being able to feel what others are feeling and being able to think what they are thinking. And I've tried to live by that. The third reason, for a very long period in my life, I was obsessed with psychology and neuroscience, to the point when I was doing these ventures, I would make 10 different color combinations of posters and try to figure out which one of these will release the most amount of dopamine in the human brain. I can read people and I can run campaigns which hit where it matters the most. And one more reason is that I know speed and execution. So yesterday, I got free from university at 7 p.m. At 7:30, I started making an ad. So I made a 60-second ad for Keventers. And after 7:30, everything, scripting, filming, editing, and post-production was done overnight. I just play it right now. And this is what I could do in 1 minute. Imagine what I can do in a week. Thank you.
Feels enough. You have done everything right. Still, something is off. Sometimes, it's not about a bad day. It's just a heavy one. And in those moments, we all reach for something that makes us feel okay. For some, it's a song, or a walk, a call, or a cigarette. For me, it's this. It's not the answer, but it's what keeps me.
You see, this is Mike. Thank you.
Amazing, Sushant. Was this something which is created overnight?
Yes, started at 7:30 p.m. Basically called 8 of my friends. No one picked up. 9th one picked up. He came with a phone. And then we wrote a script, shot around the campus. Then I went home, edited it, and yeah. I didn't sleep
Amazing.
last night.
So any good marketer should be a good storyteller when it comes to communication. So really appreciate that fact.
Thank you so much.
I think one of the biggest things to be a marketer today is not just about how creative you are or what kind of technical skills would you have or would you know the jargons or not. The biggest thing is how to put things together. How to be a project manager, how to have clarity of thought. And I think all these three things I've seen in you today.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
But I have one question for you, that would you rather be a marketer in let's say one of the brands that you're talking to today, or would you want to pursue a strategy sort of a role? Because I do think that that is also somewhere where you could go. That's my personal opinion.
As you said, I would go for strategy because end of the day, impact matters. I think strategy will have more impact because it's more diversified and I'll be putting an impact over a larger group of people.
Cool, thanks.
Amazing performance. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
For Jaya ma'am, the weirdest client feedback you ever received was?
One of the clients there said, "Maza nahi aa raha hai." मैं क्या करूँ, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. What does that even mean?
This one is for Krishank sir. Would you go viral for the wrong reason or never go viral at all?
Never go viral. I'll tell you why. It's better to be a Vanar in a Vanar Sena than to be Ravan.
Judges, I've been asking of way too many questions with you now. So let's do something practical. I need Jaya ma'am and Sarthak sir to be on stage here with me. I have a small activity planned for you. So as you told us that you love strawberry flavor, right? So this is for you. And we are giving you a chocolate flavor. So now the activity is such that you have to convince her कि ये आपसे अपना strawberry milkshake exchange कर लें chocolate के बदले. And you have to be very stubborn about it कि I don't like chocolate. I want to keep what is mine. And the round starts now.
I'm not giving you my strawberry shake.
That's okay, Jay. I'm going to say this before the board meeting even starts, but yesterday was my marriage anniversary. I messed up. I forgot. I know Aditi just loves a good strawberry shake.
I can bring one more for you from the outside. You can give that to Aditi.
I would absolutely love that if you can, because I called up practically every Keventers outlet, and what has happened is that apparently the strawberry stock of the country has gone infested by a pest. They said you took the last order. No matter what you want convinced from the board today, whatever is in my capacity, I'm willing to help you. If it's in the form of offering you advisory stock, if it's in the form of extending your role on the board, as long as you believe that I should be given an opportunity to at least make up in front of my wife for a mistake I absolutely own, I would love for you to at least offer me something. I think I'd really owe it to you for life if you could.
I think, Sarthak, I'm generally not an emotional person. So I wouldn't have gone for the... But obviously, I'm also a wife. So I get it. When wives want something, they want it. But however, the juicy part is that you're willing to give me something as advisory, shares and stocks. So since you're on the board, it just cost me one One shake, guys. I'm gonna give it to him. Why not?
And it'll save me my marriage.
I think, yeah, he's given up a big. You guys really have to give it to him because people in board meetings do not give up shares and do not give up advisory shares for just one bottle of a milkshake for their wife. So I think he really loves his wife, and I've got to give this to him here.
Let's give it up for them. Next, we have someone very interesting. He's an artist. We have Devpreet Singh.
के वेंडर से गया वॉफल ही खादा शेक केड़ा तू लेना सही छोटा की ज्यादा संडे भी खाना मैं आधा तू आधा कोई कमी नहीं पैनी मैं करदा है वादा वो दस दे हुक्म तेरा की चाहिदा या की लेना इंज ना बोलदी अज क्यों चुप मन ले गल तू मेरी क्यों कर दी तू अदरी तू जल्दी ही कह दे ऑर्डर करना या साडा के वेंडर्स ते गए आ वॉफल ही खादा शेक केड़ा तू लेना सही छोटा की ज्यादा संडे भी खाना मैं आधा तू आधा कोई कमी नहीं पैनी मैं करदा है वादा के वेंडर्स ते गए आ वॉफल ही खादा शेक केड़ा तू लेना सही छोटा की ज्यादा संडे भी खाना मैं आधा तू आधा कोई कमी नहीं पैनी मैं करदा है वादा
Amazing set. A round of applause for Devpreet.
थैंक यू
So why do you want to be a marketer and not a rapper? Because वो भी बहुत अच्छा करियर है.
सर एक्चुअली मार्केटिंग में म्यूज़िक चाहिए तो बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक भी दे ही सकते हैं अगर कुछ ना हुआ तो
आई थिंक आप सही कर रहे हो क्योंकि रैप में अब बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आने लगे हैं कंपटीशन भी ज़्यादा है मार्केटिंग में जो लड़का रैप कर सके ये यूनिक हो सकता है कम्युनिकेट क्या करना चाहते थे आप
तो ये पूरी कहानी इज़ लाइक कि मैं अपनी किसी के साथ कोई जा रहा है अपनी लव वन या कोई भी ले लो आप तो हम गए तो वहाँ पे हुआ कि केवेंटस से गए हम केवेंटस गए फिर वॉफल ही खाया संडे को हमने शेयर कर लिया आधा आधा हाफ हाफ यही है पूरी कहानी इस पे
तो मतलब शेयरिंग अ मोमेंट विद लव्ड वंस एंड कवेंटर्स
Yes.
ये आपका आइडिया
यस
Thank you, Devpreet.
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
All right, so let's come down to the main point. Announcing winners. Over to you, judges.
Cool. So again, I would say कि each and every person को बहुत ज़्यादा appreciate करते हैं. And आज जो one person जो top पे है, उसको आज एक 10K का prize भी मिलेगा. So the person who comes third today is somebody उसकी जैसी body मैं बना पाऊँ तो I'll be really happy. Right? So a round of applause for Devansh. The second person whom we really thought कि वो actually marketing के लिए बने हैं and somebody whom we can trust as a company. So that is the second person we would like to take for the next round, which is of course Tanisha. And finally, आज का जो राजा है somebody who's getting India's best marketer का sort of a kick for the day is somebody who went out of the way to participate, built a story, invested time, and finally was also logical in the answers that we were looking at. And that is Sushant. So can we have Sushant on the stage, please?